How to create TikTok business account. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok business account step by step. If you want to access the advanced analytics, promote your content, or run ads on TikTok, switching to a business account is a must. So let's jump right in. Open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in the top right corner, tap on three horizontal bars and go to settings and privacy. Now here what you need to do is select account at the top. Here you can find an option that says switch to business account. Just select it. Now once you've selected, TikTok will show you some benefits of a business account. Tap on next to learn about business account. Now TikTok will ask you to choose a category that best describes your business. You can choose whichever you prefer. I'm going to be choosing clothing. Now TikTok will ask you to add your email. You can simply add your email to grow your business, but I'm going to be skipping for now. Just add your business email for contact purposes. Now simply tap on visit business suite. And that's it. You've successfully created a TikTok business account in just a few minutes.